At TBS Education, we believe that real learning happens beyond the textbook. Our approach is built on one core principle: learning by doing. From day one, students are immersed in practical, hands-on experiences that bridge the gap between the classroom and the professional world. Our teaching methodology is grounded in group work, real case studies, and direct engagement with industry. Many of our professors are themselves professionals from the business world, bringing live challenges and real-world perspectives into every session. But we go further than the classroom. Across our programs, students take on consulting projects with real companies, tackling genuine business challenges for our partner organizations. They analyze business scenarios through case studies, participate in operational missions, attend company visits, engage in business simulations that mirror the real demands of today's market, and join workshops and long-term projects. All of this takes place in a truly multicultural environment, with 120 nationalities represented across our campuses in Toulouse, Barcelona, Paris, and Casablanca. The diversity of the classroom is itself a learning experience. At TBS Education, we don't just prepare students for the professional world, we immerse them in it.